In this question from limits, we have to evaluate this trigonometric functions, and the limit here is x tends to pi by 8. So we are going to apply a substitution here. So for that, let's put x as pi by 8 minus y. So from here, we get to know that y tends to 0 as x tends to pi by 8. So now we have the limit here as limit y tends to 0. This is cot 4x. So this is 4 as it is, and I can replace x with this. That is, this is going to be pi over 8 minus y, and minus cos 4x. So same way, it's 4 outside, and x can be replaced with what? Pi by 8 minus y. And this whole divided by, let's say pi is there, minus 8. Once again, I'm going to replace here x with pi by 8 minus y, and there is a whole cube over here. Right, in the next step, this is limits y tends to 0, and if I open this bracket over here, that is 4 multiplied by pi by 8 should give you what? Pi by 4, pi by 2, sorry, and minus 4y. Same way here, this is going to give you cos pi by 2 minus 4y, and below it is pi minus 8 multiplied by pi by 8 is minus pi, and positive 8y, and there is a whole cube. This get cancelled. So this limit y tends to 0, and what is cot 90 minus theta? It is tan theta. So it's tan 4y minus, this is sine 4y, and then whole divided by 512 raised to y raised to the power 3, and that's because y cube is of 8 cube is 512. Next we have limit y tends to 0. I'm going to split this as sine over cos. So tan can be written as sine 4y over cos 4y minus sine 4y, and this is 1 over 512 y raised to the power 3. Now in the next go, what I'm going to do is to take sine y as common. So this is limit y tends to 0. If I take out sine 4y as common, so if I take out 4y as common, we get what? 1 minus cos 4y and minus 1. And outside we have same 512 y raised to the power 3. Next is to continue with more simplification. This is sine 4y. But you can figure out that if I take LCM, it's going to be 1 minus cos 4y over cos 4y, and then this is 512 y raised to the power 3. Limit y tends to 0, sine 4y. What is 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta, right? So I'm writing 2 over here, sine square, half angle property, 4y will become 2y, and that divided by 512 y raised to the power 3 into 1 over cos 4y. Now this can be reduced to 1 times, and to how many times? 256. So now this is limit y tends to 0. This is sine 4y. Clearly we need a 4y. So I'll write 4y from here. And this is sine square 2y. So we need what? 2y whole square, which is in fact 4y. Now figure out, this is 256. So this is how much? We have 4y over here, and then 4y square over here. So that is how much? 16y cube. So we have taken 16y cube from here. So that means y cube is taken, and from 256 we have taken 16. So we are left with 16 in the denominator. So I'll write 1 over 16 outside. Right. And then remaining part over here, that is which is 1 over cos 4y. Now applying the limit over here, but before that, one more step of simplification, that is 1 over 16. This is limit y tends to 0 implies what? 4y tends to 0. This is sine 4y over 4y. And into what I can write here also, I can write limit 2y tends to 0. This I can write as what? Sine 2y over 2y whole square. And then this is limit, say y tends to 0 only, as 1 over cos 4y. So now we have 1 over 16 outside. 1 over 16 outside. This results to give you what? 1. This is 1 square. So you must be knowing that. What we know for limit x tends to 0, sine x over x is equal to 1. So applying this standard limit, this is 1. This also will result to give you 1 square, which is 1, and cos 0, right? 4 times 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, so it's 1 over 1. So finally we can say that is coming as 1 over 16. So this should be the answer for this question.